Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, a C# project and familiarity with delegates. Now write your first Lambda. Assign func int double it equals x asterisk 2, then call double it 5 to get 10. Explain why. Lambdas create anonymous functions inline, removing boilerplate method declarations and improving locality. Once done, experiment by replacing func with action for void returns, or by inferring types. var tripler equals int x equals x asterisk 3. Make sure to compile and observe type inference in action. Next, integrate lambdas into Linq for real power. Use items, where I equals I is active. Select I equals new ID I, name to filter and project in one fluent statement. Understand why closures matter. A lambda capturing loop variables can produce unexpected results unless you capture a fresh local per iteration. Once you spot that, fix it by creating a local copy inside the loop. Also consider expression trees, expression func t, bool, when building queries for ORMs to enable translation to SQL. Finish by applying advanced patterns. Compose small lambdas, pass them to higher-order functions, and use memoization where repeated computation occurs. When performance or debugging matters, extract a complex lambda into a named method to get clearer stack traces. Make sure to check nullable values before using member access inside a lambda to avoid null reference exceptions. Troubleshooting tip. If results are wrong, inspect captured variables and type inference. Often a fresh local or explicit type annotation fixes subtle bugs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.